Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do this, what we can do is you can first head over in here under our pages. So click on this pages right here. And once you have done that, click on this add page. Now for this one, let's name this order tracking. Once you have named it, we can see this option right here for show HTML. Now let's click on it, and in here this will show our HTML right here wherein you can put in here the code. So I have this code right here which is the tracking page script. So just pause your screen and copy all of this. So I will just head over and then copy this. I can also link it down in the description below. Once you have done that, copy this right here and paste it. And then in here, make sure that this is visible. After that, save your progress. And then once it's been saved, let's head over and view the page right here in order to see what it will look like. Now you can just put in here your tracking number and you can head over and track it. Now this is our page, but we have no option in order to actually see it. So what you can do is you can head back, click on the navigation right here, and then click on the main menu. Once you have done that, click on this add menu item. And then let's search in here for order tracking in order to successfully add this on our actual page. So let's search for this, and here it is. Now click on add. Now it's been added. Now save your progress and then head over to the preview again and then actually refresh it. And as you can see, it's been added right here now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.